Every day around the world, people are killed and millions of man-hours are lost through accidents at work. Surprisingly, in spite of improved safety standards and modern work practices, the number of deaths in the construction industry worldwide continues to rise. Of these deaths and serious injuries, almost half relate to falls. This is true in every developed country in the world and has led to huge increases in insurance costs. The human cost of all these accidents and deaths is enormous, and the worst thing is that almost all of them could have been prevented. Reducing this human toll has got to be a major priority for everyone. After all, the next life saved could be your own. The scafftag system can help you to do this. It can help cut the number of accidents and to reduce that enormous human and financial cost. The scafftag system is simple, clear and easy to use. It's essential for any companies working to ISO 9000 standards. It ensures you comply with current regulations and provides a documented audit trail. But most of all, scafftag saves lives. One day, it could be yours. Because of its effectiveness, scafftag is specified and used by many of the largest companies in the world. It's the undisputed market leader, with safety systems in use in over 27 countries and produced in many languages. The fundamental need for safe working, a safe structure and documented inspections is the same wherever you are in the world. This is especially true in hostile environments like the North Sea, where scafftag is trusted to ensure regular and documented inspections. Let's look at how the scafftag system works.
Stage 1. While the scaffold is being built, the scafftag holder will be attached at every entry point. The international prohibition symbol and the "Do Not Use" message are now clearly visible. Naturally, the scaffold must be designed and built carefully using sound materials. Bent tubes, faulty boards, or any other suspect fittings should be rejected now. Stage 2. Once the scaffold is complete, a scaffolding supervisor or foreman should complete the upper part of the green insert, which identifies what use the structure is designed for, heavy duty, light duty, and so on. It also identifies the scaffold's location, the build date, and the foreman's signature. An inspector or competent person will then inspect the structure before first use to ensure the structure is fit for use. Once satisfied, the inspector will date and sign the bottom of the green insert, identifying also any hazards. The insert is then placed in the scafftag holder at all access points, with a copy of each placed in the scaff file in the site office. The scaffold has now been identified as fit for its purpose at the time of the inspection. The duplicate inserts in the site office allow an instant visual check on the status of all the scaffolding on site. These inserts show who built the scaffold and when, what use it is designed for, and when it's due for its next inspection. In the UK, the law requires each scaffold to be inspected at regular intervals not exceeding 7 days, or after adverse weather conditions, or after substantial alteration. This will vary from country to country. Stage 3. When the inspector conducts scheduled inspections, he'll be looking for several things. Have any of the original fittings been removed or changed, such as ladders, ties, braces or boarding? If so, how have these changes affected the stability and strength of the scaffold? Is the scaffold still suitable for its original purpose, and does it still meet its specification? If an inspection shows the scaffold is unsafe, the green insert must be removed to reveal the internationally recognized prohibition notice, clearly showing that the structure must not be used. The prohibition insert allows the inspector to record in more detail the specific problems with the structure. As always, a duplicate insert is placed in the office and the details are noted in the blue book. Until these faults are rectified, the scaffold must not be used. Then, the structure should be re-inspected, and if it is fit for use, the green insert may be replaced. Now the inspection cycle begins again and continues through the life of the structure. Finally, when a scaffold is being decommissioned, the date of decommission is recorded on the yellow face of the insert.
So you see, the scafftag safety system not only provides a complete and accessible status report, but also, with the Blue Book, it imposes a strict control mechanism to ensure that your legal obligations have been satisfied. The simplicity of the scafftag system encourages everyone to use it. Scafftag has been carefully designed to comply with the appropriate codes of practice and laws in every country. As well as these site-based systems, the scafftag group also offers a range of support systems for maintaining full records and training. The range also includes a system for tower scaffolds. The law requires the frequent inspection of scaffolds. Without this, any scaffold could become a death trap. The scafftag 123 system makes it easy to do this and to ensure full records are kept. Scafftag is a safety system that sees the whole job through from beginning to end, from the time it's erected to its final decommission. It's quick, easy and efficient. Finally, there is an exciting new system that has won multiple awards for innovation and safety. SafeTrack, a comprehensive safety solution for the 21st century. SafeTrack is an electronic management tool that adds the benefits of computerized inspection and recording to the whole range of safety control tag systems.
SafeTrack also uses high visibility holders and inserts that are attached to the equipment. But with SafeTrack, each holder includes a unique identification chip. The handheld computer reads the data stored on the chip. When was the equipment inspected last? Who by? What is the status of the equipment? Any inspection work is recorded on the handheld computer. These new inspection records are automatically updated on the microchip, so the current details are stored on the holder. All the data from a complete site-wide inspection can then be downloaded in seconds to a base computer that holds the complete safety maintenance schedule and records. SafeTrack makes it even easier to keep your records accurate and up to date. SafeTrack will even remind you when the next inspections are due and makes management reporting totally effortless.
Routine safety is not an exciting activity, but lives depend on it. The scafftag SafeTrack Group is an international group of companies answering a worldwide problem. Used correctly, the scafftag and SafeTrack systems will save lives. The next one could be yours.